Warning, this video contains loud scenes and MA screaming, so when MA gets on her rage mode, the beeps may be loud, so I recommend you humans to put your volume down, okay? This is just a little warning humans, okay? Can we start this video?
Hey guys, it's MA. So remember some of the past of my live streams? Sorry, I cannot talk that much because my throat hurts in the sides. Sorry. I can't yell that much too. I cannot yell. I think it's almost part of my throat. So, since you saw my past live streams so much and they were so corrupted. Wait, why am I talking like Susan voice? Since we decided to do something, since this is gonna be better, instead of doing something, I kind of want to do something with this. I'm going to play Nintendo DS. And we're gonna be finishing Camping Mama, which, since so much days, we haven't touched this game. Well, I have touched this game without streams, but to be honest, well, if I record with this, it's not gonna let me, because only, freaking no microphone won't let me.
Camping Mama Outdoor Adventure.
Great. So, let's see. Put the volume down, because I know you guys can't hear. So many times in Minecraft, you heard me already without my thing. Just like in the TV dilemma or others. No, wait. No, I guess it was like when I had to talk to you guys. Frick. Fricky frick. So sorry with the freakness. Frick! Okay, so since we're in this island today. Oh no, wait, that's not the. We're in the freaking world. Am I just dreaming? Now today, let's just play 2 random worlds. Since OMG. Wait, why am I the son? I am not a boy. And wait, I'm not a boy. I forgot I was a boy in there. Wait, I think I know her name. And eventually, I did not know. So let's go right now. I just messed up his gender. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I messed up his gender and it's a he, not a she. I messed up his gender, so let's go. Since I have to use the girl, I didn't want to use the boy, and I'll probably have to play more, better or not. So, let's go. Oh no. Ah! Not this again! Jesus! What in the world? My god! Get away from me! Jeez! Oh my god, this is trickier than I thought. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Ah! No. Are you serious? Get rid of the mosquitoes. Oh my. This is the first time I've done this, so like. This is the first time I've been recording on YouTube with Camping Mama. Without a stream, because I've done this twice in a stream. Well, multiple times. And several. I'm gonna have to do several videos of this. Oh my freak! Come in the freak back! Frick! Thank you. Oh my! Kill all the mosquitoes! Kill all those mosquitoes! That's why I'm gonna have to blur this out too. I might as well, like, we can't let YouTube see that there's a family-friendly franchise who has mosquitoes. Ah! Get back in! Oh my god! Get in the freak! You know why I want to unlock this? Because there's a little mini album I want to unlock. Get the frick! Oh frick.
Needs out. Wow, even better than
God, you
Mama.
always say that too much times in the year. Frick, there's nothing. Oh my god. This little fuzzy bear. Ah! No, 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 no! Gee! Just in the right side I'm gonna go.
Wow.
Not that wow again. I did not like the wow. But okay. I guess you could say when I was... Ah! Oh my god, quit standing on me, little fatty bear!
All around me are familiar faces.
Okay, that was a little too harsh.
Wow.
I can't laugh that much. Well, Yeah, I try not to laugh today. Like my throat kind of hurts. When I speak sometimes or swallow, it hurts. Oh my frick. I'm back. Oh no, this is the first time I cussed like this. Oh frick. Now I've been cussing frick too. Frick. Oh no. This mosquito. What if we just like... Wait, we haven't checked these two leaves. I think it's squishes like this. Or like this. Or like this. Or like this. Or like this. Oh no, 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 no! That wasn't supposed to happen, Jesus! Go back. Like this. Yeah. So this video is a good premiere. What can I say?
Wow, even better than Mama.
Oh dear God. There was this guy who looks like Star Wars guy. Oh. Right.
Wow.
Okay, so let's go back where we were. I'm being so distractible. And my yelling and screaming and everything is such distractible right now. Oh frick. Wait, aren't we supposed to go with Mama first? Oh no. Not that. They look like potatoes to me. Oh, it's just eggplant. Oh no. If I have this type of eggplant to take, if I get some of them, they're gonna fall like this. See what I mean? So don't deal like that. Deal with, oh my, see what I mean? I'm gonna have to retry. Let it go. Wait. That's a mini game. I thought it was like, okay, I'm not a good picker. Like this, and like this. I call these eggplants Maniac McGee.
Results. Keep it up.
Okay, it's just a little lower voice. Oh. Oh, sorry. It's the television I need to fix right now.
Wow.
Open this box. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, watch this again? You gave me this too many times already. And I do not. Oh my God. Oh, can you kill me once? Okay. I do not care at all. Oh, it's because they're just gonna make me turn invisibility if I have this. Is what I mean. The potatoes. I actually named mine potatoes. Made from MA1148. Okay, this one's experience potatoes. If there was potatoes, have potatoes and tomatoes, you could ate or swallow just potatoes. Just like in my season voice, really makes no sense at all. I didn't know this place. That's why I made a made-up recipe, like saying
Results.
potatoes.
Wow, even better than
Half
Mama.
potatoes, half critters. And you may think me later. I don't know, how can you think me when there's a mosquito in the freaking way? Jeez. Ah! No. No, what do you mean? No. This is unacceptable. Race with this fuzzy little old bear. Look, I'm not good at this race anymore. Because this is an Android, not Nintendo DS. Like the chicken's like. Oh my God, it feels like so slow. It's like freaking slow. My arm now hurts.
Results. Wow, even better than Mama.
You serious? I might have to get hit by this bear again. Wherever the heck he is. Oh, there he is. Oh! No. There was so much bears in here. Let me guess. Explorer badge. A tent. Are you serious? You just wasted my time for having a tent. Are you serious? A tent? A tent? Okay, sorry people. I'm getting a little carried away by tents. And, well, let's just say grilled crochetos, you mean, mama. No. Oh no. I don't know, I hate one of these. I'm not that good at it. Frick. I'm not good at it. Now my head feels weird and I can't pretend like I have. What the heck?
Results. It's okay. Mama will help you.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run.
Oh my. Dang! Oh my god.
Wow. Great. Mama's happy for you.
What do you mean? Now you're just wasting my time! Okay, sorry. No, it's not that bad. But to be honest, you literally made me waste my freaking time! No! Okay. Next time, I will do this by myself instead. Instead of doing this in about recording. This time I'm gonna do more skits with ping pong balls. I regret it, Mama. If you, oh my, seriously, stop with the save the auto save. So we will see you tomorrow. We'll see you in another time, whenever I want to record or not. So we'll see you next time. Oh well, I won't make it pointless. So thank you so much for watching, people. So I have to go now. Okay, bye. Just kidding.